Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, March 5th. So I want to talk about one of the trades we normally look for in our intraday trading pattern. And it is a trade that we pay very close attention to, is the opening range. Now our opening range this morning was this area around 68.40. That's the low, and the high is right around 68.70. The market broke that low around 10:30, retested it twice, and started to break lower. So this is an attempt to break the low of the morning. An aggressive entry would have been an entry here for a move to retest the low of the morning just above 6,800, or you could have taken the more conservative entry right here on the bear flag to the downside. Now this went from roughly 68.05, just kind of rounding it down to 67.74. That is basically a $30 move, or $1,500 a contract. Now, since then, we've been establishing this channel, and the markets are not quite breaking one way or the other. I would say the momentum is starting to turn less bearish, possibly even more bullish with this price action. But I think the cleanest trade would have been the break below the morning low for 30 points. And if you were aggressive, I'm looking here, you could have gotten an additional 20 points. So in all, this is a 50-point move to the downside, and that's $2,500 in profit. So pay attention to the intraday market. It gives you a lot of chances to make money every single day. And capture, in this case, would have been the biggest move of the morning. Thanks a lot.